How to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80131505 on Windows 11. To fix Microsoft Store error 0x80131505 on Windows 11, try 1. Sign out of Microsoft Store app and sign back in later. 2. Run Windows Store apps troubleshooter. 3. Re-register the Store app. Run get apps package Windows Store search for each apps package, disable development mode, register $_install location \fx manifest.xml command as admin. 4. Reset Microsoft Store app. 5. Run SFC and DISM scans as admin. 6. Temporarily disable your antivirus.